You can see my like really like kind of ghetto background. You can also see more of my body. I'm excited to do this video. I don't know how well you guys will like it, but I thought I'd give it a shot. So today I'm going to be unboxing Stray Kids debut album. Yeah, I haven't even opened this yet. I just got it today. I thought I'd do a little unboxing on camera, but before we get into this, make sure to subscribe. Click that button down below. Subscribe. We like K-pop over here. We like beauty. We like whatever. Let's just get on into it. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I think this is gonna be like my first album, I think. K-pop group album, or K-pop group debut album to actually own. I don't have like that many albums, but I'm trying to grow it. Okay, so the first thing I see is the poster. Should we wait till the end for this? No, let's just do it now. Let's just do it now. Come on, let's just do it. Alright. Oh, this is a big, wow. I got Han. You can't even, look how big this is. See, I didn't even know they did like big posters of like just one of the members. Aww, that's cute. Look at him. Yes, cute. I thought it was gonna be a group shot, but that's cute. Okay. Oh, there's another thing in here. I don't know what this is. Oh, I also got this off of Amazon. I'll try and link this below. Oh. Okay, what's this little letter? Oh, that's cool. Okay, so like the buyer that I got this off of, I don't know if you'll be able to see this. It's too bright. But I'll put their like username up on the screen. It's Love Korea Love Culture, and they sell various K-pop items, so that's cool. But look at the little like BTS little, can you see that? The little cartoon BTS characters on that. But I got this little like shiny little like transparent card thing. Oh my god, I'm new to this. If you couldn't tell, I don't know how to do these. But that's cute. And then I also got little stickers of Suga and Jimin. So that's cute. So those were like kind of like little extra little bonus things. Now let's like actually move into the actual album. Ooh. Okay. All right. So I think I got the what version? The I Am, I believe. There's like two versions. There's the I Am version and then the Not version. Let's get this opened. This is kind of big.
Okay. Ooh, what is this?
Guess we'll open this first. I don't know what this is. It almost looks like postcards. Oh, is it like a book? Oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so they're like, so it's like these Stray Kids like postcards. There, now you can see it. But yeah, it's like they're little postcards, and looks like all the members like did their own little designs on them. That's so cute. I think this was like I believe this was like a bonus item, maybe. Oh my god, look at that little, kind of looks like a little squirrel. Let's see, what else? Oh, dang. Look at Chan. Oh, boy. he's definitely the bias out of the group. Oh, yeah. That's super cute. Love that. Okay. All right. Now let's open this up. I'm probably doing super bad at this, and there's definitely probably like channels that do just unboxings. I'm sorry. You know, I've never done an unboxing of an album. Don't want to ruin it. Okay, and this is what it looks like. You get like a decent sized book. Like this is, I feel like this is a pretty decently sized. Like look at that compared to my head. Like that's a decent size. All right, so I already. What the heck is this? What is this? Do you see this? This little Coca-Cola. What? What? So here's the card. So I got Hyunjin. And these are voice cards. So it has like this little like scan thing on the back of it. I don't really know how you Oh my gosh, this is him as a baby. You get a baby picture of him. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? It's just a little baby picture. That's adorable. And then you get like a picture, or I got a picture. Okay, I got a picture of Lino, Hoojin, and Han. And this also has like a scan thing. I don't know how you use this though. It says audio available until the next album. Like, how do you use this? Oh. Okay, open. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh. Okay, so this is for Hyunjin. Or Hyunjin? What? How do you pronounce his name? Hyunjin? Okay, so I'm gonna play the audio for you guys.
그 노래를 내가 들으면 또 나 자신에게 위로하는 느낌? 그게 되게 좋았던 것 같아.
또 완벽한 캐치였어 우리.
잘하고 있어. 잘하고 있어.
Okay. If any of you speak Korean, can you translate that for me? I'll play it one more time.
그 노래를 내가 들으면 또 나 자신에게 위로하는 느낌? 그게 되게 좋았던 것 같아.
또 완벽한 캐치였어 우리.
잘하고 있어. 잘하고 있어.
Okay, so that's his voice card, and then we'll do the three of them. We'll see. So all you have to do is like, I just have my like camera open, and then once it looks at it, it says that you can, I don't know if you can see that, it just like pops up this like Safari thing, and then it will bring you to it. So let's hear this one.
그 뭐지? 내가 쓰는 프로필 거기다가 이제 잘하고 있어를 적었는데 그게 또 저를 위한 분인지 알고.
Okay, so again, if any of you could like translate any of that, that would be awesome. Okay, I feel like that's so cool. Like JYP out here with their technology. Okay, so there's the cards that you get with it, or at least that I got with it. Let's like actually look at the album. Oh my goodness. It says cute or dark. What do you want? I don't know. The cute one's pretty cute. These little characters. I don't even know. What is that? What are these? What are these?
how to do this. I'm trying my best. Yeah, we'll just do it like this. Yes. I am not. Ooh, a little group shot. Yes. Ooh, another one. They're all in white. Yes. Matching. Ooh, so artsy. Yes, it's John. Yes.
Yes. Him with dark hair. Please, JYP, please, like, keep this. This boy looks so good with dark hair. I'm just saying. I am just saying, you know. He looks very nice with dark hair. Okay.
Go on. Yes. Okay. Hoojin. Am I pronouncing that right? He also looks really good with dark hair. Please focus. Oh, this isn't all like out of focus. Like, doesn't he look so good with dark hair? Come on. He does. He does. He didn't even have to answer. Like, he does. Yes, Lino. Got some more. Changmin. Right? Yes, it says that. Changmin. Wow. Aesthetic. Yes. Yes. We got Hyunjin? Gosh, I don't know. Yes, Hyunjin. Hyunjin. Woo! Yes. Then we got Han. I'm kind of living for the all white, not gonna lie. Yes, more fun. That kind of looks creepy though. This picture, just a little creepy. Just a little creepy. They're like hovering over them or over him, and they don't have faces. It's just like black. Like what? 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 Oh, Felix. Felix. Oh jeez. Yes, Felix. Yes, Sungmin. That's Sungmin. Yes, she's just like painting a picture, you know, doing artsy things. Then we got Ian, the maknae of the group. And we have like more group shots. Some more group shots. Ooh, I like these ones. So we got like all the members. Ooh, that picture. Wait, yeah, that picture of Chanmin looks cool. Some more. They're like super whitewashed. Not like just like the picture itself. Some more. Oh, they're like, oh, we got tired of running. We're just gonna chill and look cool. Another group shot. I'm probably doing a really bad job. I apologize. I don't know. I don't know how to. Yeah. Another group shot.
Oh my gosh. Sorry. Okay. Wow. I really wish I knew how to read Korean. So we got Chan, and I'm guessing this is a letter to maybe, I don't even know, maybe like thanking, just some sort of letter that they usually write, like thanking fans, family, you know, everyone. Ah, more of him. Ah, yes. Okay.
Another one. You can't see his writing, but there's writing. His hair changed. It was like black, and now it's like he's looking like Jack Frost. Yes. Some more letters. Oh, his is long. Dang. So yeah, they're like, more group shots. Wow, this is a cool shot. It's like there's like all these like cars in the background. That's a cool shot.
And then it has like all of the tracks listed. Let's see. Okay, and then also it gives the lyrics for everything too. Yeah. Oh, this is a cute shot. So yeah, it gives all the lyrics right there. And then just like credits to the staff and production and all that good stuff. And then you actually get the album. So, oh, and some other message down here that I can't read, but you know, that's all. That's fine. That's fine. And then yep, you get the album, and yeah. So that is what you get in the Stray Kids. I Am. I'm assuming the not version has different pictures. I don't know. I'm so tired. I just got off work and then I got this in the mail and I was like, oh no, I want to do like a little unboxing of this. A little unboxing. We're already at like 25 minutes. This is a little unboxing. So, yeah, that was my Stray Kids unboxing. Comment below or give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I don't know how well this will do. You know, I didn't really know how to like come about doing this, so I just kind of did whatever. So yes, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you also want me to do other unboxings in the future, if there's like a certain album that you want me to unbox, you know, comment below, and maybe if I see a group that I would like to actually buy that album for, I'll do that and make another unboxing video. Comment below what your favorite song is from Stray Kids' debut album. I'd say mine is probably Awaken or Mirror. Those are really good tracks. And if you haven't listened to it, well, why are you even on this video? Come on, like, why would you want to watch? But if you haven't listened to it, go check it out. It's a really great album. You know, support Stray Kids. I know some people are like, why would you know, buy the album? Like, because I do have like Apple Music. I think K-pop definitely has got it with when it comes to like their albums, because even though I do have Apple Music, I think it's so cool like that they do like put these like books together, and you know, they have like these little cards, because like it's gonna sell. It is definitely gonna sell. And also I just like supporting, you know, the artists. I think it's a great way to support them. Alright, I need to go, but yes, make sure to subscribe. We have fun over here. Yes. Yes. Alright. Until next time. Bye, guys. Peace. Yeah. Stray Kids. Goodbye.